My company is called Emporia Brands, and we've been importing since 1984 rum in the UK. So we've been doing it quite a long time. I've had quite a big experience in the Caribbean market, importing Caribbean. But 7 years ago, my son came into the business as a experienced bartender. He started off in Tiki as a barback, and then went to Dubai. So he came in as an experienced bartender to run our business. And I said, okay, Jack, you're doing the heavy lifting. I'm going to have fun. So I'm going to have fun creating our own brands. So this is my third brand I've created. And I had to research the market and decided that Mauritius was not a real opportunity. I could do something special in Mauritius. When you fly over Mauritius, all you see is sugarcane. They actually don't grow very much, apart from sugarcane. But the sugarcane was for sugar. And then about 20 years ago, the sugar industry went down and they allowed the sugarcane to be used for rum. So the last 20 years, the Mauritius rum market has really started to move. So I'm working with a 7th generation family business in Mauritius that have interest in other areas of alcohol. So they have mapped out on the island where all of the best sugarcane growers are. Then they're buying not from plantations but directly from growers. So their sugarcane, like chef ingredients, are fabulous. And then they have a whole bunch of different barrel finishes. So they have French oak, they have Oloroso, and they have PX. So they said, you can make your own blend, and that's what I do. So, I blend mainly brandies, cognac and Armagnac and Calvados. So I love blending, and this was a really interesting thing because I had the opportunity of blending those flavor profiles and also different ages, and creating something quite unique. So what we've done with Mango Bay is we've got 25% pure cane, which really elevates the flavor, matured in French oak for 2 years. We've got 50% molasses in Oloroso, matured for 4 years. And we've got 25% Pedro Jimenez, which is hugely sweet. So when you taste it, you get all those profiles coming through and natural sweetness. So I think I brought something new to the market. We're going to find out tonight when they taste it and interact and get some feedback. We're going to find out tonight how they feel about it. But keep in mind, this is not just UK. In 2 weeks' time, 3 weeks' time, I'm on the island and I'm going to spend a week with the 5-star hotels engaging with them, so they love it as well. So it's on the island and it's in travel retail and so on. So it's identified as a true Mauritius rum. And then we've got 20 European markets we're working on, and we've got some in APAC. We're not going to go to the USA until next year. So we are going to build this into an international brand.